Are you trying to analyze user gender data with pandas, but struggling to get the keys from your value counts? You're not alone. Today, we're going to solve that problem together. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you have the counts you need, but you can't extract the keys for your plots. This is a common issue many data analysts face. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked how to get the keys from the result of pandas.Series.value counts, specifically for gender data. They want to create a plot using those keys as labels. Sound familiar? Let's dive in. So what's the issue here? When you use value counts, it returns a series with counts as values and the unique values as the index. But to plot this data, you need the keys in a list format. Let's break it down. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to streamline your data analysis process even further. To get the keys from the result of the value counts, the user can start by calling the value counts method on the gender column of their data frame. This will return a series with the counts of each unique value. Next, the user can access the index of the resulting series. This index contains the keys that correspond to each count, which is exactly what they need for their plot labels. Now, the user has the keys stored in a list format. This list will maintain the order of the counts as they appeared in the original series. Finally, the user can use this list of keys as labels for their plot. They can now create a plot using their preferred plotting library, such as Matplotlib or Seaborn. Fun fact, did you know that Pandas was originally developed for financial modeling? Now it's a go-to tool for data analysis across various fields. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves converting the result of value counts into a dictionary. They suggest using a for loop to iterate through the dictionary items, which allows you to access both the keys and values. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the keys method or the index method to retrieve the labels from the value counts. You can use data.gender.keys or data.gender.index.toList to get the list of keys, while data.genderValues will give you the sizes. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always remember to check the order of your keys after extracting them. This will save you a lot of headaches when plotting your data. And there you have it. You can now easily extract keys from your value counts result. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more data analysis tips and tricks. Happy analyzing!